Today in one more unpacking for another brand, sports brand, and this time I'm looking into the Zasuwa. I've received some of the outfits I've chosen today, and I just wanted to share it with you. Starting with the first one, so I'm wearing one part of a set, which is the top. As you can see, I'm just gonna come in closer just to have a look at the material. It's padded as well. It's really stretchy. That's a size S. It does fit the sizes, so whatever you size you think you are, that's what it is. It is actually matches the universal ones. I'm going to show you the bottom part, the other part. It's actually shorts, like bike shorts. I wanted to something, just for summer, I guess, even though it's not summer. So these ones are the shorts. This is the back. So it's rich, as you can see. I love these details on a gym. So if you do lots of squats, or if you do lots of exercises for bum, for the back parts, this is perfect actually to make you motivated, because at the end of the day, if you see there's a result, you should definitely buy them, and they're gonna keep you motivated to do your exercises every single day. Another one, so this time I chose creamy color ivory. I never had a white workout outfit for the gym, but this time I've decided I'm gonna go for it. I know maybe I shouldn't, but you know what, I just wanted to try something different. So it's really soft. I'm gonna show you the material. Really soft, stretchy. Basically it's the back, it's again this perfect bump Ruched pack details that you can actually see how they look like here on the model. Have a look. Yes, I'm going to show you myself as well later on. So this one, the size S, as you can see here as well. Absolutely soft. Just to let you know as well, I have 20% off on all items, all collection online if you use my code 20 Meggy Eva. I have chosen another. They did not have the match top for this one, but I decided I'm gonna go for something different this time and more, I don't know, kind of sexy maybe for the gym. I have no idea, but I'm going to show you what I've chosen. So this one is the top, as you can see. Let me show you the closer details. So you have a fishnet on the top. It's white, it's padded, it's an absolutely amazing support, as you can see. It's adjustable as well, so it does look really nice when you put it on. I'm going to try later on, but this is the model, as you can see. Don't you think it's nice? I definitely like it. So with the other bottom, it's gonna look perfect set. So you can actually mix and match if you want to, because that's what I do most of the times with my outfit. And because I love colors, I love them, but not too much, okay? Just to let you know, if you mix some of the colors in the gym and you too over the top, I don't think it's nice. You kind of scream, look at me, which is desperation. But if you do it a mixer like this little bottom here, leggings, I'm gonna show you the really amazing colors. So basically, okay, I'm gonna show you, they're like ombre ones. So you start with a violet and you go to blue, turquoise color, kind of. This is a little bit, it's stretchy, but it's not too stretchy. So it's more tight than the other material, basically. Again, you have the famous back. So this is how the model looks like. I think this is a little bit stretchy, but anyway, I'm gonna show you myself later on. Sorry, I've been really over the top. I haven't done my hair. Looks so messy. I haven't straightened it. Looks like literally out of the blue, like I'm a teenage again, but unfortunately, yes, I'm not. So yeah, let's move on. This is the other one. Again, just to let you know, 20% off on all the outfits. And the last one, just wanted to show you actually the packaging as well. So it comes in a little pouches like that. When you open them, you have a little information. You have the leaflet. This time, I ordered actually a black one. I've got a few blacks, but I don't have the rich black one that you can actually, the rest of the ones. So this one, it's exactly that model as you can see, it's ruched in the back, and it kind of lift your bum, even though you think maybe it's not necessary. Believe me, it always helps. Okay, I'm just trying the ivory set, the bottom one. I just wanted to show you the leggings. So basically how they look like. It's really soft, really comfy here. You don't feel squeezed at all whatsoever. So that's how it looks like on the back. So basically, yes, I think I like it. I don't know what you think, but definitely something, yeah, I love. Just love this part. It's super, super nice. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all social media. And my name is Maggie Eva. Thank you.